Hey everyone, Linus here. Ever wonder what happens when you hit the power button? It's like waking up a sleeping giant. The computer springs to life, but it needs directions. That's where the operating system or OS comes in. Think of it as the brain of your computer. Without an OS, your computer is just a bunch of expensive hardware. The OS tells the order what to do, how to communicate, and how to allow your cool program. It's the unsung hero of your digital world. From the moment you see the boot screen until the time that shut down, the OS is working tirelessly behind the scenes. It manages everything from your keyboard inputs to the display on your screen. It's the ultimate multitasker, ensuring everything runs smoothly. But how does it do all that? Let's dive into the fascinating world of operating system and uncover the magic behind the curtain. Imagine a busy restaurant. You got chefs cooking, servers taking order, and customers waiting. It could be chaos, right? But a good manager keeps everything running like a well-oiled machine. That's what an OS does for your computer. It's like master conducting a symphony of hardware and software. It allocates resources, manages tasks, and ensures everything playing in sync. Just like a manager assigns tables, the OS allocates RAM to different programs. It decides which program gets to use the CPU next, just like a manager prioritizes order. And it makes sure your precise data is stored safely on a hard drive, like a manager safeguarding the restaurant's inventory. Without this meticulous management, your computer would be a mess, programs would crash, data would be lost, you'd be left pulling your hair out. Thankfully, the OS is there to save the day. Think about all the programs you use: a web browser, music player, game, and more. It's like busy theme park with people queuing for different rides. The OS is the park manager, ensuring everyone gets their turn. Each program you open becomes a process for the OS to manage. These processes are constantly waiting for the CPU's attention, like eager kids wanting to ride the roller coaster. Until this, the OS uses clever scheduling algorithms. It might give priority to time-sensitive tasks, like playing a video while giving less important tasks to backseat. It's like the park manager letting kids on the most popular rides first. The OS also keeps track of each process, state running, waiting, or terminated. It's like the park manager knowing who's on the ride, who's waiting in line, and who's gonna home. This constant juggling act ensures your computer can handle multiple tasks without breaking a sweat. Section 4: Memory Management. Organizing your digital workspace. Imagine your desk piled high with papers and books and gadgets. It's tough to find anything, right? That's what happens to your computer or RAM without proper management. RAM is like your computer's short-term memory. It stores data that programs need to access quickly. The OS acts as a super organized assistant, ensuring everything happens. But what if you open a program that's too large for the available RAM? That's where the virtual memory comes in. The OS uses part of the hard drive as an extension of RAM, swapping between them as needed. Section 5: Files, Folders, and Permissions. Navigating your digital world. Your computer is home and vast universe of files, documents, pictures, music, and more. It's like a massive library, and OS is the friendly librarian who keeps everything organized. The file system is how the OS arranges and stores files on your. It's also about security. The OS controls who can access with files and folders. It's like a library is in a library, codes without different levels of access. Different operating systems use different file systems, but the goal is the same: to keep your digital world organized and secure. Section 6: A world of operating system. Exploring the options. Just like there are different types of cards for different needs, there are different operating systems designed for specific purposes. Windows is like the popular sedan, user-friendly and widely compatible. Mac OS is like a sleek sports car, powerful and aesthetic pleasing. Linux is like a customized off-road vehicle, flexible and favored by tech enthusiasts. Each OS has its strengths and weaknesses. There are also mobile operating systems like Android and iOS, designed for smartphones and tablets. These are like compact and efficient city cars of the OS world. The choice of which OS to use depends on your individual needs and preferences. Section 7: Your OS, Your Choice. Share your thoughts. So there, you have a glimpse into the fascinating world of operating systems. It's amazing how much complexity goes on behind the scenes every time on your computer. From managing process and memory to the organizing files and ensuring security. The OS is the unsung hero that makes it all possible. We covered a lot of ground, but there's always more to learn. What's your favorite operating system and why? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you prefer the user-friendly Windows, the elegance of macOS, or flexibility of Linux? Let's discuss.